With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. A room cubicle is made of mirror. An insect is moving along the diagonal on the floor such that the velocity of the image of the insect on two adjacent wall of the mirror is 10 cm per second. The velocity of the image of the insect in the ceiling mirror. So if you draw the top view, it is said that the insect is moving along this diagonal like this. So if I draw the velocity of the insect, it will be somewhat like this. Let's say the insect is moving with a velocity v0 centimeter per second. Now what does it mean by it's like the image velocity along the two side is 10 centimeter and 10 centimeter. So if you see, this velocity is making an angle 45 degree. So if you break into component, it will be v0 by root 2 and it will be v0 by root 2, right? So I will write down v0 cos 45, that is simply this, and this is. Now understand the concept here. If you see, if I talk about the image speed, right? If I talk about the image speed, so what you can see here, the image speed will have two component. Image speed will also have two component, right? One perpendicular to the mirror, another along the mirror. But we will only see the component which is along, right? If you see, if I say the image is also moving like this, if you see the hair, if you see here on the another side, you will see the mirror, the image will be moving like this, right? If I say this side as 1, this image as I1, this side as 2, this image as I2, right? These will be the image velocity direction. But what velocity we will see? We will only see that the image is moving with v0 by root 2 along this side, and image is moving with velocity v0 by root 2 along this side, right? Like this. And from the top you will see that image is moving with velocity v0 centimeter per second. So let me write down speed of image is speed of image by the ceiling. By the ceiling. If you see in the question, it is asked that you have to find out the velocity of the image in the ceiling mirror, right? So in the ceiling mirror, it will be v0 only, and on the side mirror, I have already explained that on the side mirror we will only able to see this, that the image velocity is v0 by root 2, and it is said that it is v0 by root 2. It is given in the question, it is 10 centimeter per second. If you see in the question that the insect is moving along the diagonal on the floor such that the velocity of the image on the adjacent wall is this. So what is this velocity? This is the velocity that is along the mirror, because if you see from the top, you will be able to see that the image is moving like this, right? So from here you will get the value of v0 as this, and from here I can write down this as the answer. Now you can check for the option here, 10 root 2D is the correct one. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.